Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's localize the build number, which is at the very bottom of the list, and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now let's confirm everything with your screen lock, and we can go back to the general list of the settings. Now let's enter the system, and here we have to enter developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show notification channel warnings, we can show pointer location. Here we've got some options connected with the networking, etc. So basically all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to simply tap on it, and your device will immediately apply it. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, just find them and tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, they will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.